Hey everyone, so I just showed you that amazing animated trailer. Pretty cool, right? What if I told you you could create videos exactly like that with literally just one click? I'm not kidding here. All right, let's dive right into it. The video you just watched, I created that using something called Magic Light AI, and I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. Don't worry, I'll drop the link in the description below so you can try it out yourself. When you first open the website, you're going to see a clean interface that looks pretty straightforward. The first thing you need to do is sign up. Just create your account like you would with any other platform. Once you're logged in, you'll notice there are two main options staring at you: Create AI Video and Create AI Character. For this tutorial, we're focusing on creating story videos and animated movies, so we're going to click on Create AI Video. Go ahead and click that button. As soon as you click it, boom, you get this dashboard that's basically your creative playground. This is where all the magic happens, and I'm going to walk you through every single step so you don't get stuck anywhere. First thing you'll see is the aspect ratio selection. This is basically asking you what size you want your video to be. Here's something really important. Every video you create here is completely copyright-free. That means you can upload it to YouTube, monetize your channel, use it however you want without worrying about copyright strikes. Pretty amazing, right? For this demo, I'm going to choose the landscape option because that works best for YouTube. Next up, you've got language options, and this tool supports tons of different languages. Since we're creating content for English viewers, I'll stick with English, but you can choose whatever language your audience speaks. Now here's where it gets really fun, the style selection. You've got so many options here, it's almost overwhelming. There's GTA style if you want that edgy look, cyberpunk for something futuristic, and my personal favorite, the Studio Ghibli style, that gives you those beautiful 3D cartoon animations. If you want realistic videos, you'd go with the realistic option, but for what we're doing today, creating engaging animated content, I'm going to stick with the 3D cartoon style. This gives you that professional animated look that really grabs attention. Here's where things get interesting. You'll see two script options: Smart Script and Basic Script. If you already have a script written out, you can use Basic Script. But here's the cool part. If you don't have a script at all, the Smart Script option will actually create one for you. For the Smart Script, you just need to give it some basic information about what you want your video to be about. You can generate ideas using ChatGPT first if you want, or just type whatever story concept you have in mind. I actually prepared my script using ChatGPT beforehand, so I'm just going to paste it right here. Once you paste your script, hit that Next button. The system will start analyzing your story. This usually takes about 5 to 10 seconds. You'll see it processing, and then boom, it shows you exactly how it interpreted your story. If you want to make any changes, you can go back and edit it. Pretty straightforward. Hit Next again, and now we get to the really exciting part: character creation. You've got two choices here. The first option is AutoCast, which lets the AI automatically choose characters that match your story. But if you're like me and want full control over how your characters look, click on Edit Character. When you click that, you'll see there are already tons of pre-made characters available. You can browse through them and pick any one that catches your eye. But if you want to create something completely custom, just hit the Create button. The character creation process is super intuitive. It'll automatically pull the character name from your story, then you just select the gender, choose Human from the category, and pick the age, either youth or child, depending on your story. For this demo, I'm going to use one of the existing characters to save time. Click Next, and here's where you really see the magic happen. The system starts generating scenes for your entire story. You'll see all your images being created with the character you chose appearing consistently throughout. This is huge. Character consistency is usually the biggest challenge with AI video tools, but Magic Light AI handles it really well. Take a look at all your generated scenes. Sometimes the character might change slightly between scenes, but don't worry, you can easily fix that. On the right side of each scene, you'll see a character option where you can swap out characters if needed. Now comes the part where we turn these static images into actual animated videos. Go to your first slide and look for the Animate button in the bottom right corner. Click on it, and you'll get animation options. I always choose Animated Pro because it gives you the best quality. Select Dynamic and Automatic so the system handles all the animation timing for you, then hit Confirm. This is honestly mind-blowing. Within just 1 minute, your text gets converted into a fully animated video scene. Let me show you what the first scene looks like. Clicks play. Look at that! The character is moving naturally. The animation flows smoothly. This is professional level stuff that would normally take hours to create manually. Now you just repeat this process for all your scenes. Go through each one, hit animate, and let the system work its magic. Once you've animated all your scenes, hit the Next button at the top. You're almost done. Now you get to add the finishing touches. First, you can choose your cover art, pick whatever style matches your video. The cover title is automatically generated, but you can customize it or turn it off completely like I'm doing here. Next up is subtitle settings. Super useful if you want to reach international audiences. And here's a pro tip, you can add background music right here instead of having to edit it later. Choose something that fits the mood of your story. Once you've got everything set up how you like it, hit that Generate button. The system will ask you to confirm your aspect ratio. I'm sticking with 16:9 since that's perfect for YouTube and gives you that professional widescreen look. And just like that, in about 20 seconds, your complete animated video is ready. This is the kind of content that gets millions of views on YouTube, and you just created it in under 10 minutes. Here's the thing, Magic Light AI makes it incredibly easy to create consistent characters across long-form content. Whether you want to make 30-minute episodes or short viral clips, this tool handles it all. I'm dropping the link in the description and comments below, and if you sign up through my link, you'll get extra credits and a discount. They have 3 different paid plans, but you can actually start with their free plan to test it out. Honestly, if you start creating animated videos like this and posting them on YouTube or Instagram, you could easily start earning a few $100s a month. The demand for this type of content is huge right now.